Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super useful. How to activate your Flybuys card for 2025. If you're not familiar, Flybuys is a popular rewards program that lets you earn points on everyday shopping, turning your purchases into perks like discounts and gifts. Whether you're a longtime user or just signed up, activating your card is quick and straightforward. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have your Flybuys card handy. It should have a unique activation code or number on it. Don't worry, it's usually printed on the back. Step 1. Download the official Flybuys app from your phone's app store, or head over to the Flybuys website on your computer. The app is the easiest way, as it's user-friendly and mobile optimized for 2025. Once you're in the app or on the site, log in to your account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create it quickly. Just enter your email, set a password, and verify with your phone number. Next, look for the Activate Card option, which is usually right on the homepage. Enter your card's activation code carefully, and double-check for any typos to avoid errors. After that, the system might ask you to verify your identity. This could involve linking it to your email or phone for security reasons, especially with the updated 2025 protocols. Once verified, hit the Confirm button, and voila! Your card should be activated. You'll get a confirmation message or email right away. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Ensure you have a stable internet connection, and keep an eye out for any promotional offers during activation that could give you bonus points. If you run into issues, the Flybuys Help Center is fantastic for troubleshooting. And there you have it. Your Flybuys card is now ready to use. Start earning those rewards on your next shopping trip. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and hit that bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.